Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time, so for those of you who are looking for part-time work rather than a full-time position, as always, the links to everything I share is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about finding the best work from home job leads and sharing them on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, you might want to subscribe and have those notifications turned on. Today's job lead is from the company Endurance. Now, Endurance has 318 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.2 out of 5-star rating. I never try to share anything that is below a 3-star rating. I just don't want you to have to deal with companies that aren't doing their part. Now, some jobs above 3 stars I try to share because, there's people who love jobs and people who don't. You find those who just don't jive with the company and the job in every industry that you have. So that is my guidelines for sharing things. But Endurance, if you come to this page and scroll down just a little bit, they're hiring a part-time customer care representative. Now, they are an auto insurance or Auto Assure. Endurance is looking for a customer care representative with a positive attitude and great attention to detail. You're going to facilitate the inbound phone calls, update administrative details of the customer accounts, and direct calls to the appropriate department as needed. You're going to handle a high volume of inbound calls. You'll work closely with other departments, making sure the customer gets their issue taken care of no matter what it is. You'll also, besides updating their account information, you'll process payments and set up payment arrangements to resolve any customer accounts. So you'll be helping provide those customer relationships and creating those loyal customers. You do have to have strong problem-solving skills for this. Other than those problem-solving skills, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just great customer service and communication skills, somebody who can generally type and use a computer, and someone who can be focused and reliable. Now, unfortunately, Endurance did not list the pay for this position. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Pay is likely dependent on experience and location. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.